Number 25 from your homework is as follows. You're writing an equation for the line in slope-intercept form. We're taking now information from a graph. Before, we were given information in the form of points, or we were told what the slope was. We were given some information that was written down in a sentence, like a word problem. Now we're simply given the graph. So what do? How do we get information from a graph? We look at it and we think, what do we know about it? Ben, do you know anything about, can you tell us anything about that graph? Can you tell us anything about the slope or the y-intercept or the points or anything at all? What is this point here? What information do we have from that graph? Yes, Aaron?
The x and y is -4 and
the y-intercepts, good. Yeah, he's pointing out the intercepts. Excellent job. So this is going to be the point, -1, 2, 3, 4. So it's -4, 0. So you have to say, see, points have two coordinates. So when you say the point -4, what you really got to say is, and this is picky, but it's true, you have to say the point with the coordinate -4, 0. Or the point -4, 0. Yeah? What about this point right up here? See that it's rise and right. Rise here and run over there. Just so everybody sees it, you can watch that and you understand how you get rise over run, which is now review. But there it is. Okay, so now we use that information. We have the slope. What do? Now we have the slope and we have a point. How does it work, Jessica?
Do we use the point slope form
Now,
or no?
absolutely.
Oh, yeah?
You can do anything. Well, you can do anything you want, but they're asking you to put it in slope-intercept form, right? So, what do you think would be the quickest thing for us to do?
Slope-intercept.
Yeah. Well, what do we need to put it in slope-intercept form?
Point slope form?
No, because they didn't ask for point slope form.
Well,
Yeah,
wait,
let her.
what are you doing?
Well, again, they're asking for slope-intercept form, right?
Yeah, but how do you find y or the b?
How do you find the intercept? We just already did it. Aaron did it earlier.
But I'm confused.
Okay. Well, what is the slope-intercept? It's where the what? Can I have that?
It's where oh, it's 6.
That's right. That's right. What are the coordinates at that point?
That is 0, 1, 2, 6.
Yeah, 0, 6. That's right. The 0 is the x coordinate is 0 because it's the y-intercept. 0, 6. Good stuff. All right, so that's a good observation, Aaron. You've pointed out the x-intercept and the y-intercept, and we've got our 2 points, so we can figure out things from there. What else do we need to know to write an equation of the line, Deontay?
find the slope.
The slope. How do we find the slope? There are 2 ways to do it now. What are the 2 different ways we can do it? You said it earlier. The rise over run's one way, and the one we just worked with was what?
y2 minus y1 over x.
Y, exactly. y2 minus y1. Let's use rise over run because we did the other one before. Let's do it in green. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Rise, Omave. What's rise?
Rise is up.
Up. So it's going to be up from there over there. So yeah, just what is our calculation going to be?
Up 6.
Up 6. That's right. So you just draw a line from here to here, up, straight up. Go ahead, up 6, and then run. That's good. And a line from here to here. We make a triangle, and the run is how far? What's the run?
4.
4, right. So our rise is 6. Up is positive, right? And our run is 4. Dr. Isaacs, would you like to say hello to the camera?
Did you read the sign outside?
Did it? Yeah.
Is that in English or Hebrew?
I don't get it.
It's up 6. It's positive. And right to the 4 is positive. They're both positive. And now this is a fraction. We can reduce it. What's 6 over 4 if we reduce it? 3 over 2. Good.
First over those.
3 over 2. Good. And so what we can do here, Olivia,
Yes,
is
sir.
just put a 6 there and a
3.
4 there. No,
4.
4 there. And 6 there. So we equals 6. And then put y-intercept. Yeah. So that's what we've got going here. Good. Something wrong with your pen, you can use this one. Yeah, okay, so now we have the m, we have the b. Put this in here, we've got y equals m. What's m?
Slope.
Slope, when we calculate the slope, right?
3 over
3
2.
over 2. Y equals 3 over 2x.
Y equals 3 over 2.
X. Plus what, Eli? Y equals 3 over 2x plus 6. And guess what? Are we done or do we still have more to do? Daniel? That's it. Put a box around it. We're done.
A
So-
big box, a big one.
Yeah,
Big
well,
box.
What is it?
yeah.
I like that super.
The question of the day is, can we make math fun? Hold on. Dr. Isaacs, come here. Come on. That's a classic. That's a classic. Come on, let's get that. That's hilarious. What's going on here? Come on now. Come on, go. That's hilarious.
Put the cheese in the tray.
Daniel, are you making up work there?
I always make stuff up.
Bad joke, bad joke. Okay. All right, so here we go.
That's entertainment.
We've got a believer. We've got a believer. Leave. Cut.
This has been a Banana Apple production. Do your homework, kids.